Follow these steps to replace your Greenlite Seed card reader with a Greenlite ePort device on your model 3605 and 3606 vending machine. You will need a blade to cut zip ties, pliers, a Phillips head screwdriver, and an 11/32 nut driver. Make sure your machine is powered off. Then disconnect the antenna from the telemetry device by unscrewing the connection. Next, remove the antenna from the top of the machine by unscrewing the antenna from the inside of your machine. Take off the antenna from the top of your machine. Now remove the telemetry device from inside your machine. Now unplug the MDB harness. Currently, the MDB harness is connecting the telemetry device to both the coin mech and the control board. Then unplug the card reader from the telemetry device. Find the DEX cable, unplug it here. Next, find the back of the card reader and remove these 4 screws using a Phillips head screwdriver. You will need these screws when installing the new Greenlite ePort card reader. Then remove the card reader from the front of the machine. Use an 11/32 nut driver to remove these 4 nuts so you can take off this Greenlite Seed plate. Now use the same nuts to install the new Greenlite ePort plate. Plug in the cord with the white connector into your ePort card reader here if it has not been done so already. Place the new Greenlite ePort card reader on the front of your machine like so with the cord in the machine. Attach the card reader with 4 Phillips screws. Next, place the antenna wires through the top of the machine cabinet. The antennas are attached to the machine cabinet magnetically and can be adjusted to get the best signal. Push the antenna wires into the ePort telemetry device here to connect. Now place the ePort telemetry device in your machine. Next, connect the MDB harnesses to the control board. The other harness will connect to the coin mechanism. Plug in your DEX cable here. Plug in the ePort telemetry device into the credit card reader here. Use zip ties to tidy up the wires to make sure they don't get caught in the door or disrupt the machine's function. Now power the machine back on. Press the signal button on the telemetry device to check the signal strength. The signal strength goes up to 31, but anything over 12 is good. The interference goes up to 7, but needs to consistently be 4 or lower. Adjust antennas as needed.